So I'm Don Cottle, I'm the CEO and founder of Ulti Group. This manufacturing facility here in Kerikeri is very, very important to us. The reason for that is that previously we used to import all our products, and that caused a bit of pain to our customers. Now, particularly with the current global shipping crisis and extended lead times, we're able to produce all our products here and deliver them to our customer within a reasonable time frame. It also means we have full backup of parts, so everything we make here, and we can provide it all here as well. So we feel that's really helping our customers at this time of need at the moment.
My name is Jade and I'm a technician here at Ulti Group. Innovation is one of the company's values, and that's what I really like. We never stay with old ideas if there's a better one. They really value your input. It keeps the job enjoyable, and you're pumped to turn up to work and come up with new ideas and creative solutions.
If you look at the way that things are happening with COVID hitting, to get anything in takes so long. So for us to have it in stock and to get our customers up and running within a certain time frame is important for us. So we'll get stock requests come through from all over the country. We'll prep it. If there's stuff to manufacture, we'll manufacture it, and we'll try and turn it around as quick as we can to get it out so the techs can get on site and basically keep the customers happy with as little downtime for them as possible.
Having the parts and the manufacturing capabilities in New Zealand is what we would consider a distinctive capability of Ulti Group, be able to deliver on time every time. It's very important to us that the people are happy in Ulti Group. The grassroots of the company, if you like, was in service, and involving everybody in those decisions is really important to make sure that we get a proper solution that actually works for a customer. If everyone's happy, we work together better, and ultimately a happy team is happy customers.
I love doing what we're doing. It's an interesting business. It's an interesting range of products we do, and there's always something new in it, and we really feel we're helping people, we're helping New Zealand, and New Zealand's a great country for produce, growing produce, food, etc., and we're helping in that need. We're helping them keep the product safe, hygiene, keeping people safe, all those areas. They're really interesting aspects to our business that we really enjoy as a company.
You go out in the world only to find out that what you're looking for was right here all along.